Hi there, this is Sir Deepy, Deputy III, the Celesticratic Nerd, coming to you live from the coastal Savannah Cultural Arts Center. Yeah, I remember when they were building this, I had some friends who were part of the building of this, and every now and then I would check and see how they were doing, and I feel like I'm a part of this. Anyway, this is another spontaneous video. All praises to my new photographer, Sir Ryan. Anyway, 5 years that changed Savannah forever, reflecting on the civil rights movement through WW Law Photograph Collection. I just raised my volume. And I just took pictures of just about everything here, and so much I do not know. But then if I don't know something, that's another opportunity to learn something. And I remember years ago, maybe in the 90s, it was on January the 1st, because Mr. Law was born on January 1st. Two friends of mine, we attended a kind of seminar in terms of planning the year. I think it was at Asbury Church over there on Waters Avenue and Henry Street. And about the whole day, we just sat down and put on paper our goals for the new year. I think there was a burning bowl ceremony whereby you put things in a bowl, stuff you want to leave for last year, you burned it up. But anyway, what I'm getting at is when I left from there, we went to Mr. Law's house. And this was before the museum and all these other things. And I went to his house, I had a bunch of boxes all over the place. Boxes, boxes, boxes. I'm saying that to say that if you go to my house, I got boxes, well, bins all over the place. But those boxes became a museum. Those boxes became what we see here now, these pictures. And to be honest, from 1960 to 1965, I had no consciousness of civil rights whatsoever. It's like it didn't happen. Mainly, especially in 63, 62, 63, well, 63, I was on Hilton Head being a good capitalist, making some money, working at the William Hilton Inn. But anyway, I'm going to make up a song. I saw Bobby Hills. I was just thinking about him the other day, and I'm seeing some people that I didn't know that they were involved. I'm seeing some folks kneeling down. But anyway, this is my tacky way of inviting you to come and check this out. And there are many more pictures. And but we need a complete book if they don't have one. They might have one, I don't know. But like enrich your life. This is my theme song. Forever. Oh, don't forget, whoa, where you came from. Oh, Sankofa, Sankofa, Sankofa. Just boxes, just boxes, just boxes. Just boxes, but those boxes became a museum and much more that we can soar in our rich legacy. So I said again, oh, just boxes, in this man's house, Mr. W.W. Lord. Whoa, I'm quite sure he was from Mama Yamapo. Oh, just boxes. He had our legacy in boxes. Thank you, Mr. Lord. Thank you. Oh, 5 years through blood, sweat, and tears that changed Savannah, GA. Forever, ever, 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 they lead their lives, laid their lives on the line. Whoa, come out and see this place. It has a lot of clout.